You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this confusing word in English. Interesting word indeed. The spelling comes from French groin. So indeed, that's why it's a bit confusing. An area between the abdomen and the upper thigh. Groin is how it's pronounced in English. Groin, 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 the groin. It's easy. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Groin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.